Watch you, man. One puppet and I represent for the bad movie. Friend, you hear the voice and see the face. You know a puppet and I represent for True World TV. I remember the True World TV is the best TV for the people and only for the people. But we not talk about the intro. We just want to watch a movie to the end. Because from you see movie and from you see title, they know a bad movie. Because we not bring no ugly movie. Alright, so people. Watch a movie at the end, and people remember this Sunday, July 13, my Earth Song. But go and big up on yourself. Watch a movie and tell what you like, tell what you not like. I'm out.
Puppy! You're late for school. Puppy, hurry up, man, you're late.
Even if I say time I get late to work, so.
Brother! Puppy, get forward.
Turn around, that's up.
Get forward. I pray. You touch so late out of bed, man, morning. I must say you have to take your school thing serious, you know, bro.
Sorry about that. I know some, I didn't realize I say time I click quick.
Clean me, get up and clean up your yard and something still.
Not even get for going help with the box.
Yo, that's soft, man. Just focus on book, schoolwork, book your classes. And that's that important right now, you see me?
Thanks the lunch money to be. Oh shit. Brother, you know if I tell you the truth. Boy, I don't even know how.
And I like, you know.
I respect it. Give me a light and a whole heap give me, brother.
See if I can stretch it, cause you know, hustling kind of turn down
Brother.
right now.
So I have to really appreciate you in my life as my brother. I tell you, say you deal with me like a father.
Yo, watch out, man.
Great.
Yo, not say no more, man.
But me have to thank you.
Me appreciate the fact say you thank me, but you're not even my brother. You're my G. Bro, you're the only somebody that matter in my life right now. Cause remember, you know, every female coming in my life, them just come to dig, take up the yam and gone. So me need to pay them no mind. Me still want a woman in my life, but when it happen, it happen. And even you, every woman coming in your life, they just come to fool around and gone.
Sure. Enough brother not think like what you thinking, like a whole heap of them have them bread out there and they would look upon them. Them brother did it all in the street and stuff. So for you there for me and now me have to thank you. You see me, I said me go to school.
Watch out, man.
You deal with me good, everything.
You know much still. Palm shot me get it. But a real thing. You can't go to school and not know the time. What time is it? If you even don't know the time,
I have the phone.
that me I try to show you. You see me?
Thanks.
Yes, you have to show your man. You see me? It's a mind still, you see me?
You know, you want it bad.
You know, my love for the God in my life, you see me?
Brother, I know say it kind of rough point still what you book them. I don't know when you get a chance to get them.
Shit.
Brother, take your time, man. But why I mention it back to you now? Because you see, majority of work them I do now, I need to book them. And I don't really want borrow from no friend and make nobody feel like they have nothing over me. But if I get them...
Hold on. You see, right now, I don't trust nobody. I mean, no, I trust nobody. So, don't consider you go to school is just one place where you go book people. So, you don't consider nobody as no friend. If they're my friend, you are going to know and them are going to know. Sure. But anyway, I have a surprise here.
Me have something to tell you to brother.
What that?
Book somebody.
Yeah, I'm G, man. I want to be your brother, man.
Thanks.
Remember,
Respect.
You know, if me couldn't get the education,
You tell me say I get them.
just want to see your feedback. We see if you want to feel a way so we don't get them.
No, you know, so me always...
From in the street and a hustle.
You say.
You see me?
Respect.
Maybe in a month me get the rest of them, you see me? So what you say you want to tell me? Hurry up, because I must see you late and you come like rain or
you know, say, basically, the school where I go, I book one nice girl over there, but to be honest, she stopped going to school, you know, because of certain circumstances. So she not go to high school again. But me and her talk and me try to get to know her more, get to find out a lot more about her, get to know her background. She do the same too. So I me a look out.
Alright. Me get you, but me not get you. Me know you're young and you have to find somebody to talk to, but just promise me and promise yourself, say, bro, anybody where you bring come in my life, say sister-in-law or whatever, just make sure say she not go perfect, but make sure she work on herself to be perfect. Cause me been there so many times I tell me say, oh, young girl I break your heart. You see me, bro? Look somebody where you and him can build on yourself. So if you find out that she's the right person, I'm willing if you can bring her and introduce to me. You see me? But one more thing, you know why you pre no female. Book more you pre, bro. If me can win, you have to win. One away have to win. True. Because really we are running now. And you win on the race and me in the race. Watch out, man. We'll chat later. Right. I link tee off and forward because you know I'm charge like that. You see me?
Here,
anything you call me, here.
Remember, I'm not on the phone, but me get a call still.
You're not on the phone?
No. Must have my phone drop and mash up 2 days. Remember that tell you say so sort out. But me get a call, so I know your number in my head, man.
That's a 40, man.
Them are better than the phone.
Alright, that's a 40 here.
Alright, thanks again here, bro.
Still with a trouble here.
No, bro, I'm not gonna problem. No problem.
This hour. Fire.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, but still with a problem. This hour.
Read, man.
Read. Still with a problem, bro.
See out of them there.
Big up yourself here.
No, brother. Respect again here.
Yeah, man. Father God, I beg you, guide my brother in the street, because the street rough. And I'm the only friend and the only family me right now me have in my life. I mean do anything for you. Anything. Thank you, Father God.
Good morning.
Good morning. You look nice.
Same to you. Oh, you know, so may I come out now?
No, come here. I just come to this man.
Yeah, but and I like, you know the exact time when I always reach at because this morning I'm late. Oh, yeah, out there wait for me.
Yes.
That's very awesome.
You look nice, man.
Thanks.
So what going on?
Well, I try to go to class, see how I can get, you know. Thank you. But, you know, so really and truly, the books that I tell you I really need. This morning, my brother surprised me with me. I tell you, so like, happy. Yeah, but not every one of them, but me have majority of them. Me have the mathematics one, and the science one, and
Alright, I'm gonna follow you. Send me the list. I want to mail a
but we can send it on my tablet though, on
send
Instagram
me.
like
Then
I
that-
always
then
text you.
me- Ah, Jesus,
Actually, we see like we might get
it
confused.
come like a idiot.
You know what next thing though?
Wow,
I tell my brother boy this morning, you know?
that's too lying. So
Yeah,
you
like
answer.
right, me tell him to find one nice girl. You know about where she talk and everything like that. And get to know money more and more. You know, so he might tell me, say, yeah man, do that. You know, so one idea them, they make you meet my brother.
Everything I say.
You know what I don't like though?
Wow.
You know, carry me home. You know where you live, so you
Listen.
can't come over there for my time because I'll back with you.
Papa Dan, everything takes time.
Yeah, it take time like how it take time for me carry go meet my brother too, but you know, at least we always a link up right here or on the road.
Relax, what's wrong with you? You soon know when we leave, you soon know my people, then you soon know everything. So no worry yourself, everything's so alright.
You know, so every time we're there morning time the people in place always drive fast. Then soon we're trying to get in the morning them.
They don't do that, man. I know them. I'm
So,
a friend. Them.
me get here and come back from school.
Alright,
And
yeah.
thanks again here, face up with them where you see me must send it.
Yeah, send me them so we can go to bookstore and all because if we get them.
Alright.
That's
Bye.
good.
Any phone me get me appreciate because me never put on one phone. Love iPhone.
Later.
Alright, see you soon.
Yeah, bye.
And the Lord is precious. No, laughing with them, man.
So,
Get up off from my bed. Get up. Me don't even know where you come from. Where wrong with you?
so yeah, most of me in a charge, you know, give me a hug, man, you know, most of me.
Look out for me, man.
So, I'm to you.
You know badging at people also. True, me and your friend all along here, you feel badging at me place.
Me and a friend, me and a charge, your brother and sister blood couldn't make it a ticker, I'm to you.
You come like crosses and that video.
Yes, so comfortable more.
Come on, fam.
So, today, Monday morning. Today, Monday morning.
And what happened?
You know, ask about your puppy that going to school.
That's nice.
So where you go?
That's nice for sure. Me I go up on the road.
So you find one date?
Climb book.
Hmm?
No, talk to me. Me are you there? Eh?
Me and me.
No, son.
You're my sister. You're my charge. You're my best friend. When you're man in a problem, that is the one you're gone. And you come over me and come sleep in my bed. Me I run you?
You know, run. But you they going like me and your day like we involved. Where your business where me want to go?
Catch me like that. You chat too much. but
No,
me and
son.
you. So what now?
No, they could carry to a party.
Nobody catch me. Me it good. Me watch
Every
it.
time they come look for me, say me and your friend. Look me and you come from far. You know, say when you come look for me, you carry to a party and want orange juice. They just come with a long hand. The two long hand. No, sir. Someone not easy. Omar,
Eh? You say?
what wrong with you, Omar? Why me can't look out of space, sir?
A good man. Good.
Omar, now tell me say you're good, cause you don't look good. Look, listen. I could have never. That the same thing that you sit down and really I makes both Omar.
Yeah. Me nah go. Yo, watch out, man. You're my friend. You're my charge. You're my dude. Me tell you everything. If me have a girl and you break my heart, me tell you. If me have a girl and things are good, me tell you anything. Me tell you everything. So me can't lie to you. Bro, me think about this every day, every night. And the only thing will keep me up right now, if you don't go crazy, I just my local brother. You sacrifice them, I go to school and try to look at education, to better himself. And even you hold me up at time, that's why I tell you, say, yo, you're in charge, bro. They say, any man have you in their life, you have a good woman. Yo, me think about this every day, bro. When I left my left work and I go home, you know, and the person said, don't move, freeze, don't move. If it's a police, when I look around, I rob him and I rob me, you know. And me and him wrestle for the gun and the gun go off and I shot him. Me think about if you have a daughter, me think about if you have a sister, me think about his father, his mother.
Understand.
And me still go do time, for it. Me don't know why the guilt upon me so.
Me get what you say, but I no purpose, an accident. So what make you listen to me, you know, your daytime already and you just need to get over this. You can't make it take a toll upon you, Omar.
Me I try. You see me? Me I try, bro. Like, me all think about my brother, like, if people want me and can't catch me, they want to try if you do my brother nothing. You know? That I crazy is part of the whole situation. Me know so I want accident. Cause basically, I rob him and try to rob me and things happen and they go. If I never me or him, I'm glad saw him, but I don't know why it does up on my mind. Why it does up on my mind now and then still. I try if I just get about it still. I don't really want
Omar, just pray. pray and try to get closure. Me don't know. I don't know what else to tell you.
Oh, what may I say? You know, I can't tell you anything. You look over there, tell me say about a girl. I must say last girl. Way in your life, you know. The girl make a man a pray, you know. So I just tell him, say, bro, you have to talk to a girl. But you know, just know say person you talk to, make sure say him not have a man in clean way, you're not getting a problem. Because just in book, in class, I just that man didn't take serious. So I tell him something you want to meet the person till him know say are the right person. I remember what day again, I tell him some never have the money if you buy the book them. I'm surprised with this morning in glad. I want to watch me buy what I palm shop for him. Bro, I not tell her, yo, I just love me look brother. I just, you know, he not born weed, him not getting a problem. Like everybody have problem.
A good boy, man, a good
I just want
youth,
to say good for him, good me, good, you see me?
So that if you use as a stepping stone and stop think about the past, think about the future. You understand what I say? And cut a crap, man. Start zone out, start looking at space.
You know, so 6 months now, I don't have no money in my life. 6 months. Feel like I have money in my life. You know, I have no good friend or nothing.
I don't have a friend, and you alone are my friend. You ever see me keep woman friend?
That's true. Sometimes I come like a woman, I want to keep you as a friend. Because you come like light switch on and off. You know, I'm going to look out, you can't go.
I don't know where, one hand. One hand.
Alright, you know. You good?
I'm good, man.
If you link me more while in a man, you may me alone I come link you over this lonely place like called Dopina. Because from I come in a bite me and my baby. You have Dopina? Can't have a man in your house, man. Get a man, man.
Where this a man?
But me come jump in your bed and more me I come, I can call you because you say your man. What crosses? And you are cross. You better go look a man. You come like me. Me can't get a woman and you can't get a man. It's all we are crosses. You good though?
I don't want
me
no
man. You see you want you. You see it and you go like you want you.
Go and put
it. You go later here. You're lonely later.
Lower yourself.
That's cool, man. Place kind of small, so quite big, but that's good. Just have a nice day, Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the moment. I'm trying to get maybe 2 or 3, but that's okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, thanks, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine. How can I help you?
I'm looking for some books for art.
Okay, you can just take a look. We have different characters over that side.
Alright. What a surprise.
Oh, you're from the supermarket?
Yes.
Oh, you are the person that bunks up in me in the supermarket?
Yes, but I'm really sorry about that. I never have a purpose like me did a gaze when me a walk, so I'm sorry again.
You're not gazing right now.
No, I'm not.
So I'm good.
You're good, Wrld.
Okay, I've missed it before, that's okay.
Nice to meet you, but guess what? I hope a good luck you give me, you know. Can me meet you over the sun, come meet you, so.
Well, maybe the same to me, hope a good luck. So you are?
American.
Oh,
And
you're
you are?
Well, Quran book or Omar.
Hmm.
Well, I'm just looking some book. Trying to get some book for my local brother.
Oh, may I get some book for somebody who I really and truly care for, like genuinely.
That's cool. Sound like you're a nice person.
I am.
So as I said, nice to meet you again. And pick up yourself here.
Alright.
Alright. I'm finished. Yeah. Can just check them up and put them in our back for me, please, and thanks. Alright. How much is it?
That will be $6,030.
Okay. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks. Come on.
Alright.
We meet again. So, hope to see you again, right?
I hope so.
Hope so. Alright, big up yourself. Marika, right?
Yes.
Alright, big up yourself, yeah?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Ready?
Yes. I'm ready. What's up?
Watch out now,
What's up?
hey.
Oh,
Hey, your friend, but where you do? Yo, don't run with me. Where you go?
What there, man?
Where you go?
You know, say, I'm going to the supermarket, mango.
I
I
don't
get something for Christmas.
I don't know where I come from, you know. Go down in the town, because between me and you. You know, so I'm bridging, we send me a piece of food. Some local business. I mean, if me tell us I buy some of my book for my brother. So I tell him say next week, but he G send the thing money look early. So as him send it, me just go pick up the rest of the book them. You understand?
Okay,
so,
that's good.
Yeah. So basically me stop down at the school and him saying gone home. So over me I go, you know, because I kind of hungry and so see me.
Gone home early today, man.
I want to say, I don't know if a coincidence. It's like me in the supermarket. I check on some stuff. Say me and buy some things after I get the money. But me I say in the supermarket there. But anyhow, a girl just come book up in me. Like, you know, when somebody just charge up in you. So basically, I look at my sister, one female. She say, he's sorry. Because she never look which part she was going. So I tell her, so that's school, man. You see me? So I say sorry and walk off. Boom, you know, after I go over the bookstore and look the book down for Puppy Dan now, my brother. Me and him buck up again. But the main thing why I get information, she say like, hope a good luck. But the way she talk how she somebody, you know, somebody a blush. Yeah, so it's like,
Maybe she like you.
I say maybe she like me. If she really like me, that would have good. Because you know, if you come over here, you can get in trouble and lie down in your bed, man, go lie down in somebody's bed.
What's wrong with you? You know you don't have luck with woman already, you know. So nobody rush this, you know. If I'm not go on, nobody rush it.
You know, so you're right, but I just not tell me there. I just me there, you can't talk, you just tell me there. I not rush it, because basically, well, me say me hope me meet her again and she said the same thing, but anyway, where the pan, where you say?
I'm going to get something to eat, because me I live to go up on the road as when me tell her earlier.
Yeah, look at man.
No, me no man. So where is me look man?
More you find a man, because more me can't come and say, charge it. Yeah, make sure say she wash up a plate, you know. You see me? And the dog go say, yeah man, and I go say, yo, charge me one raise with you, you know, me tell you something. I'm the day one that I'm charge you, you know. Make sure say you deal with her good enough, because you see if your head hurt her, my head go hurt, and the dog go say, yeah man, me not give me a bun man, you see me?
Help you. Father God, come go on.
Look more here.
Go on to Puppy Dan.
Love you here.
Love you too.
Oh, my sister! So the thunder roll.
Where do you go, man?
That guy. Well, why you find a man, you know, make it down. Yeah, me, my sister. come like the fire never out, you know. You could have swear say me out the fire. Cause the tree thump me a burn and come like it touch again to her thing. Come like pop it and reach home it. So then tell me down high school saying gone home. And if you stop somewhere. Oh.
Evelyn, brother.
Pop it and what one?
Evelyn. Oh.
The man never company is step with the shows, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, look for me.
But me stop down at school and him say you're gone, so me I wonder why you stop. Hey, no disrespect, G, me know yeah, me look brother. Also you're a big man, but me not like see them thing up on your head, man.
No, brother, sorry about that. I just because the rain. Me just get to encourage you if you put something to stop it, Joe.
Oh.
I must have a little cough.
Oh, sorry about that, man. I just show me just want to head up on the right track, bro. You see me?
I don't like shop me this stop, man. No, a chippy shop. Trying to my bridging them birthday, so.
Oh, you know, so me pass some charge down there.
Yeah, and I really stop for idling. Actually, me a pass and the rain kind of come down liquor, so I did stop there and just the reason.
Just not really, anytime I see it.
So maybe that's why I don't reach up before you.
Cause when me in a pen, bro, when me that L, when me in a pen, I run the man like most IG them and so them tie them head. All I charge them, you know, all I bang at them, all I step at them. All 3, 4 antenna them have on. So when we see them thing, they just flashback. You know, look at situation them in inner. You get me? So that's why I'm forward now on that road, bro. Me now look back. You see me just a focus on you with the education. I like time where you miss school, drop out, a year time, you know. As a matter of fact, you are cut you. You know, so I'm a virgin, you send a piece of food, come give me. That's why I tell you, say, yo, next week I get the rest of the book them. But as him send me, try to get something at supermarket for me, I said I can't wait for you a little while. So I just get the rest of the book them. So you're good there now, you see me?
You know, so from forward, me I look at me and say, I wonder if I eat, but you may remember say it's next week, so I never did that really say
yeah, man, brother,
songs again, man.
That would me G, man, just put in the work if you want to thank me. You know, just put in the work, bro.
You know, say, at this morning when I go to school or something, my teacher asked me, say, how my brother, is my brother good?
Like, what do you mean?
No, man, like, through, you know, so some of the time you will forward, come let me up at school.
Oh, up on the big belly one with the body card up in the back. I'm not really.
Are they one day, brother?
Eh?
Are they one day?
No, I'm not really feeling him, dog. You know, like, him always has a man.
Attitude.
No, not really man. You know, he just look like what you call it. Somebody where rule. You know what I mean? I say, I see my signal, I give me some smile, but to be honest, I don't really approve them thing, you know. You know what I mean? But bless him up for me, man.
This morning before I go to school, like, you make my morning very, very good with getting the book them, and then like the person I tell you so I talk to, like me see her this morning, so like the whole morning just amazing, brother, I tell you.
You see the girl this morning again when you talk to?
Yeah, she stop and wait for me this morning, I tell you so I see her just face smile.
So where she live?
She said, I just time, I so find out how it's she don't care me.
Oh, she not tell you yet? But she stop a pass and wait for you?
Yeah.
The route where you always pass?
The same route.
Same
like how a time with school carrier come meet if I ride person, so the same thing with me I say that she has it.
Come like she not rush it though?
No, she not rush it.
That's why,
you know?
Yeah, that's why me don't want to rush it neither. What got to be, got to be. If it not happen, it not gonna happen, my friend. But the main thing, what happen right now, I book a pencil.
You know the next thing to brother?
What
she asked me what kind of phone I like she want to get me one. I asked me boy book them. I don't know if she want to get one for me.
Basically, two things. With a female in our relationship. When a female buy your things and really care about you.
Yeah.
If you don't really care about you, there is a catch. There is a catch to all. What she do. Like when somebody a drop a bait. But me no feel say she a try set a bait. Cause the reason why, and I like you rich or nothing.
Not true.
And try sweet up you. So maybe like when I like you and you like him, it a come from the heart. So as me say, if she really like you like that, she go buy you a phone. Just take it one step at a time, bro. You see me?
Yeah, man.
You understand? But yo, talk about that. This morning, you know, me just a boom, you know. When you leave, you go down in the town and I say me feature the supermarket to get some stuff, but me realize say, yo, the book them more important, more getting some stuff.
One thing, brother, me now cut you away, it's like you always put my stuff them in front of your stuff them. What make, bro?
Yo, you hear me, I said, man, me waste out as a brother, me must have just me and you, know, bro. You see me? We don't know our mother, you know, bro. We don't know our father, you know. Only body we know. Only person we know, you know me and me know. So I just me and you, bro. And me waste out the whole of my days already, dog, at prison. Just because of alcohol. Simple misunderstanding, accident. When me shouldn't even go do no time for. Because remember if somebody come to rob you and the person are fight, you know. You know what I say? And say something happen with him meet in demise. I don't say why I should go do time, but the point to me I say, I never like talk about it. The point to me I say, I waste so much time out of your life. So right now I do UG. You get what I say, bro? Because remember if I walk with a stick, you know, in the future, I suppose you can call and you wish me not do it for that. But yo, I tell you, say, bro, I'm glad you are about a girl that care about you. Because it's like me in the supermarket, when you think about, you know, buy the stuff them and get the book them, one girl come lick up in my bro. God know me, I tell
like she like you, bro.
Yeah.
Like she like you.
Me say, yo, you don't have no handbrake. And she has said, no, she don't have no handbrake. And she has said, sorry. But it's strange this thing, me tell her I said that book, because I need to pray her. But me know I go buy a bookstore now, go buy the things then.
Book up on her again.
Boy, me have one there. When me and her book up in her bookstore, she has said, she have one that if a good luck. So me I say, me have one there if a good luck too. But you know, it's strange this thing. She has said, she hope she meet me again. And me does say the same thing, you hope me meet her again. She a blush and she a smile.
Bro, you feel like the book she really come by. Wonder if you she does want to come in to get the numbers at
To be honest, I feel like a coincidence in the supermarket. But in the bookstore, me not feel like a coincidence.
Me I say too, me I say.
Me feel like she just come in the bookstore and check out the coloring book. You get what me I say? Alright now me I tell her, say, yo, you see marker? Right now in the book, you know long in the mark.
Easy, bro.
Yeah, but big man level still, dog, no disrespect. Love how the relationship we may have, bro, you see me? Yo, just no make you mash up. Nobody,
No,
bro, you see me?
none of that, bro.
Nobody, bro, you see me? But anyhow, what's your man? You get homework?
Yeah, me get homework.
Meeting there? Yeah?
Meeting there.
What's your man? I don't say me get piece of food, man. When I done your homework, you can get some burger, some chicken or... No, we can't give you money to buy your burger. Yeah, me get what me want.
Yeah, buy a man burger.
You buy a man burger, bro. You see me I say? Alright, look come over here.
I can't carry that to me there.
Yeah, man, we bring it to you, man.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Omar!
What's up? Come on, round that back.
I wonder where you might do it now.
I may wait for to give me a lunch money to go to school. Long time in a see you.
I'm going to tell us, y'all get big and something.
Morning. You good?
Yeah, man. Them day over here, the boring and so me come meet Omar. See what in the pan.
Man, I tell you, say, my foot kind of give me a little fight, but still have to go to school.
What do your foot?
Can't waste brother money. You know what I say? Last night though, me there and I go down night and go buy one burger for me and my brother because we never feel if I have to cook. And when I come back up, the bike taxi. I don't know what happened, but I just know say, like he can't manage the bike and the two of we drop and the bruise for my foot.
With all that is still a go to school,
Yeah, because I can't waste brother money. Brother spend money for me. You know?
And me if you tell you, say your brother they spend money for you.
Since spending in last for me, so you know that bad, so I can't go. So, and I like something bad when I can't go.
And differently still. You can't look for me and talk to you. You see your brother? Your brother, when me tell you, say, me rate him man so till me not even know how to talk. A man just put out in all for you, and then with you now, you always focus on school. Me like when you don't follow the crowd, you don't follow them boy they on roadside and rub out and mingle and
Remember say your brother would have been my mother, my father, everything in one. My friend. You know, so me have to make him proud. Brother talk highly about you, you know, me no bother when you feel like brother don't love you, you know. Brother talk highly about you.
How far we come from, man? Not to no line. Far.
You like him, brother? I feel like it one if it does start something because
Hello. Calm down. Calm see.
no, but I just it shoot me at that because you really care about my brother and I see that. Him really care about you. You not hide like you always check on you always. You come like if no so no one that for one day like on a day now go good cause you don't see him for a morning and you find
That's
him.
what besties are for. We're besties. Nothing more, nothing less. You understand? Focus on your school.
I'm gonna get for bread and show me I move quick and everything.
You see no spread of it?
No.
Don't worry about that, man. Me spread the fiance. Just go on to school.
Alright, tell me. I'm
So
going
sit
back to
down
my
and
brother.
so
My brother, me tell him come like in figure come they call him say my forward. I'm going back to him.
Alright, me spread the bed fiance. Here.
Alright,
Have a great day at school.
now tell him say you're around here.
Alright.
Brother! Yo! I can figure out man, what's somebody call you already.
Listen now, you realize that time run too fast, you know. Warm your foot. Why you check out the foot, sir?
I didn't tell you I was last night.
What you need to tell me like, you just tell me say like, you creep up and then tell me say something bad or something.
Last night I go buy a burger for me and you. And I come back up, me take bike taxi and I come like you can't really manage the bike so get out of control and chip off.
That's why I tell you say you when you go down on the bikes and ride with the people them you know, ride with the people them will make sense, bro. You see me? So you want me now and got a doctor with you?
Bro, all cream funny. I have to go at school, brother.
Slow time, you know.
Yeah, man.
Things very slow right now, September month, you know, but you know, so I'm not telling like, look a bird, I tell you something about my mind kind of flash and I think about her. When I book down at bookstore, girl, I'm not tell about how they are.
So you didn't get no connection with her?
No, I never get no connection with her, but I feel like next time I see her, I feel like I want to get her number. You know, maybe we can talk and, you know, try to figure out each other's space and time. Get to know her and she get to know me. I know if you can't work, it does work, but you know, as I say, we just need to focus on just work, we have focus on your school and thing.
Brother, one question, I don't pass my place with you or nothing, but you like Tia?
Tia, what do you mean I like Tia? Tia, I charge me dope to my
She
friend.
inside, you know?
Tia there?
Yeah, she come and look for you, but when I say like you care about her and she care about you, like if
I
you
mean,
don't go one day without no one there, no man.
no, man, I tell you something now, like, see, sometimes you have some good friend. It's like, you need to pray. Doesn't mean a person like you or love you. That no mean saying like you and love you if you're in love with you in a relationship.
Okay.
So that I respect that I have for she and she have for me. I go over my yard anytime, she come over my yard anytime. I just respect that. And sometimes it's good for you have a good friend. More have a good friend and you cross over you mash up. And if you mash up over, just like you mash up over the good friend. So sometimes you just stay over you so. You see me?
Yeah,
But when I can ask me that if they
no,
like
because I like it to one vibe. I feel, you know, I feel it to one energy.
well, to tell you the honest truth, I want vibe like that, me I look with a female. Like, a
You
vibe.
find with the girl where you say sit down to.
Yeah, you know when you look at, yeah, but, alright, alright, for example, me and your brother, me not live like a brother.
True.
Me live like a G, so I find a woman where me and she not live like, we in love, we just live like a friend, a
Yeah,
G.
true.
And that a flavor there me I look. And me can't find a flavor there, so I go on neutral till I find a flavor there.
I'll find it, bro.
But anyhow, just go on a school, man. There. You see me, everything, what I want from the school, homework, everything,
Everything good.
assignment, and assignment.
They say September the course are up. So, we have like, it's around 2 months or 1.5 months left.
You what you do, when you reach down there, show your teacher your foot. Cause me told me see her happen something how the foot stay.
Yeah, and it's a
Maybe
stick
I
on
go
in her pants
yeah.
too, so.
Maybe I have to stay for a couple of days, you see me? So what about for you be when I talk about one you say you like and see?
I text her on my tablet this morning and I tell her about this foot or something. I said she wish she could have come around, you know.
You know, so me not lie you. You know why me get up so early? You know why me always I think about a situation. Come like sometimes I think about something like more did it to all it.
Why same thing, brother? What happened in I pass
The
with you?
same thing happened in I pass, so you try to rob me and me never so feel gun and you go off and you get shot. I don't know why me I think about that so much, brother, like it just a nag me. I think I make it keep me like me can't go on with my life.
I understand, you say bro, cause some of the time I talk to you and it's like your mind just got. And that make you not come around here a while ago for real, you know? Cause a long time I call you, you know?
But anyhow, I know all every time, you have to go to school.
Alright bro,
you
respect you, yeah. Remember to tear inside of it.
Oh yeah man, you have a link her man, you see me? You have a link her, you don't link your girlfriend. I'm a girlfriend man, I'm a friend man. You're right, I'm a girl friend, you see me? Look come over here.
Alright bro, later.
Yeah.
Go.
Principally in all of my place, me have to knock. Cause I grew up here, you understand?
Now we are not gonna hear oh.
But I pray.
What for be free?
What happened?
Nothing happen. Look how much things in the room for sit down for a sock, chair, bed.
Oh, you know I'm sit down side of you?
I don't really said that, but
I smile so. Alright, you know I'm sit down side of you. Me sit down side of you.
Alright, that's all.
Me sit down side of you. Cause me used to get jealous and bad mind, you know. Oh, you smile so?
Hmm?
Oh, you have a visitor?
Visit away. In your place?
No, how are your place? Oh, you smile so?
Nothing, I just feel happy today.
Oh, I wonder if you get one visitor and rainfall and something. And water your garden and something coming. You know you're happy saying? You know so you come to tell me, but you don't know how to tell me.
I don't know what you talk about, you know.
You jump on full of water?
No, sir. Right now it's empty.
So what now?
There, I'm going to take care of life easy. You know,
Life always rough for you. I look at things say I want a friend like me.
Exactly.
Eh?
But over here I'm bored and so I can link you. I see puppy that not so long.
I feel your yard, you know?
Hmm?
I feel your yard. You can come check me anytime. Okay, me over here or post. You gonna know. You see me? Yeah, if one post I come here, you gonna know. And if one dog come over for your yard to bark on your post, me gonna know. So I feel your yard.
What am I doing? Hey, me like how puppy that not taking school things serious still, you know, man.
You know, so I'm glad you're taking school work serious. Yeah, you mean a reason look while?
Yeah, man, I tell me saying food. Some bike business.
But we not talk, him never like, you know, when somebody tell us something, but it's like him never not talk that serious. Look what I say serious. Come I walk on up. So me I tell him to talk to the teacher. Well, I me ask him, say if you want to go a doctor, you can get a 2-day or a 3-day. And still can do him work, same like I teach and him close. The teacher respect him.
Yeah.
So I tell him, because basically foot like that, you know, it will boil up. You get to me and say, in the tall pants. So I tell me find out and make me know.
But I get some time off from school, yeah, man, to be better. But anyways, enough for puppy then. What about the girl where that tell me about? You know, hear nothing.
How's girl again?
The same girl where tell me about that day, man.
Yo, you know easy, you know, that's why I have rated, you know, so you come like, yeah, me only say me operator, but my road manager for my life. Yeah, you know, say, this morning me I tell Puppy Dan, say, yo, mine kind of run pan her. Yes, me I tell, what's your name again? I need my name, but it's like, me just I think about her, me I say, she approach me like, you know, me I wonder, say, like, if I something, you get what me I say? Like if I want something meant to be or something we can try or go on out, but basically as I tell them, I never run on a relationship. Because everybody I look for love right now, and some people now look for love, them just look for mingle and break your heart. So just that me look on. What about you? What you look for? You look for love? Eh?
Yeah, I look for love, but you look like love can't find
you sweat
me.
so.
My hot man in my place hot.
You come like you sweat from over so. Over here, come over here.
Listen, I will power it, me can do.
Oh, I'm not assuming none of them sent. I'm not assuming none of them sent. Yo, I'm not assuming none of them sent.
I will power it, me can do it now. Make up bed,
yo,
sweet water, and all them.
Thanks, man. Thanks, cause none of we never get to straighten up in our place and something. So I look on film bed over there, so laptop, everything, all studio, everything. On film bed, so if me bed there, and you look on your
all the bed me have to spread up. I feel bed.
Then I feel my bed stiff. No meow, no puss now going in and dead. Nobody now dead in it.
What you say I do today though?
Yo, up on a big man level still. I have some good thing to start out. Maybe I have to go down in a town. I don't know, maybe I can circle you, cause you like when you come on my yard, me forward back a your yard, you know.
Oh God, I know. Now when you come, you can carry sitting and don't come in there too long and...
Me always carry my heart, my love, and my friendship. So yo, upon a big man level, you know, some ask from what here. Like, you know, so what I say a youth and I tell me say, yo, you rate you still, but, you know, but me don't know, like, you kind of picky with like, yo, a long time you have a man in your life, you know, so what you plan for them?
May I wait till God send the right person.
Come on, stop follow what me I say. Yeah, follow what me I say.
You can't manage the man nowadays, man.
Alright. I kind of understand. I look for the right one like myself. I hope you all will find the right one. Hope you find the right one and me find the right one. But by an idea, what you say out there now?
May I have to work over me and...
Come for it. Come on. Come, camp on your back. Come, camp on your back. I say you're weak, man. You're weak, like.
Sir, I'm not really familiarized with the place, but yeah, you know, Groveland up there, so you have to come up in a lane. I don't know what place and I'm just move come here, so I turn up in a Miglai Road. So once you come up the hill, you're going to see me up in a Miglai Road, turn up.
Oh, the girl look like America, so. The girl I'm really in love with.
Oh, look, because I really need the internet. The app is the internet.
Oh, yeah, that's so.
Oh, yeah, up here, sir.
Up here, so I live. But what you do up here, so? I mean, I live yet?
No, you mean I live, but I just went one place in the area.
Like, seriously now?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so close to me now. Which part of here in the place?
It's due time, I really know. Oh, yeah.
You know, say,
think so.
really and truly, I don't a regular location. I expect you, I never did expect you here, so.
Me understand.
But
me never know, say, you come from.
Yeah, like, I forgot to me never tell you where I live, but I want me to come out and me see you when you turn your back and me for the first time look like Marika. So the girl I'm right. Well, if me love somebody, why me can't know this from any angle.
Oh my God, that's so sweet.
Well,
so,
I feel so little pain in my foot, but I tell you from my face, like, you know, feel like some help on my face. Oh my God.
Oh, that's so sweet. Give me an next one.
Last night, my bike taxi I carried me up from Burger King and the bike dropped with the two away and me kind of dig out my knee.
You know, man?
Well, not really. I think I second time I go with him bike taxi.
You have to be careful enough, okay?
Oh yeah, wait for now.
Flow man, me and wait for if you can fix my internet because I cannot do without internet. I work with my internet. So, I really have wait for.
So yeah, tell me so now, like, you're there so close to me now that means you can see a various time.
Okay then, give yourself in due time. I move up and stuff because I feel like it's time to take a relationship more serious. I can see more acting and they look for something there, you know.
Well, I never know say like you really I think about me like that see left from the location where they move closer just to get to see me.
Of course.
Well, it's not just you alone. Because me I think about you too.
Really?
Yeah, like I said this to my brother like multiple times say somebody when I talk to like me really I gravitate feeling for them. You know, and my brother really want to get to meet about me I tell him say.
So when we can meet him?
Well, in due time.
Okay. Well, I guess we still have to work for
Yourself.
each other.
Okay.
I get to know you more and you get to know me more.
So, kind of run like a late for school, so I guess I don't know if you can see you late when I come from school.
Just text me and me send a location if you meet me.
So, see, I don't know why you just don't have to come here, right? If you feel
When
like,
the time right,
you feel like if I come there, we are going to do the right thing. And that depends on your mind.
No, I'm not.
You're not ready for that
You're
yet.
not late for school, you're not late for
Bye.
time. Bye. I'm going to go down this one.
Okay.
Oh shit. Shop lock. Ah boy. you can't walk go down no further because the sun hot, you know. And this a woman at here, mad. Hello? Tia?
Yeah.
Me know you're not gonna believe me about your shop lock, you know.
So that have to do with me come and shop there in that place.
So me have to go down to the next shop.
Go down to the next shop, man. I want something for drink.
Alright, me I go down to the next shop. Because you want to come over here and have a long argument or something. Because you want a miserable woman.
Alright, hurry up, man.
Alright. Yeah. Bookstore, right?
And supermarket.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Yeah, man. Meet again.
nah, there's a pleasure meeting you again.
Well, pleasure is all mine or yours.
Both of us.
Both of us.
Yeah.
Well, very good one. Question. First, me I book you. No, the third time. But at first, me I see in your community here.
Oh, you know, say when my friend is sick, she asked me to come look for her. So she me gonna look for something and then go back.
Oh, say our friend live in our community here,
Yes.
Wrld.
Yes.
Well, if you never come meet your friend or book your friend or look for your friend, I guess more to say again. I guess a fate.
Yeah, fate bring us together.
You know, so I tell a very good friend of mine. So whether I'm book a female and I kind of mind kind of run pan her, I think about her. Yeah, one of my friends may I tell.
I love that.
Yeah, man. So see there. Tell her just a few minutes ago this morning and see there. Father God link up with Tori. You see me, two disciples them to link up and while I read them, you want never faith. Can link up in a church and fast with each other. Well, fasting, you know, I kind of know a lot about fasting because although I want to sin, I pray a lot and I believe a lot. You see me? And just like I come and believe, so when I believe, I come true. You.
Anyway, guess what? Me not make you live Friday, so today, you know, I gonna get my number, you know.
You know, so you come down here and read my mind, come just go for access to your number. You see me?
I will give my number.
Yeah. Me real one, you know, not the fake one.
Oh man, this is my number.
This is
But
real
just
one.
you text me.
Oh, 4568298.
Yes.
Alright.
But they go differently though.
Yeah, man, I go differently, man. I'm just glad to see you and hope we can connect again. You see me? Understand? Omar.
Marika.
Just a check for the right name and we do because some people get different name, you know. So you say, you now meet your friend again. Just the first time I come meet
No
your
man,
friend.
just the first time coming up here just to visit my friend. She always come by me, but now I'm here.
Oh, she always come check you.
Yes.
So where you live?
Where
I
me
don't
live?
yeah, I go too deep in your business all over just me.
we not come from down here.
Oh, you don't come from down here.
this side.
So you just check in and check out.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
But
good.
you know, last night, as me I talked to you last night, I watch a movie, you know.
Oh, you like movie?
Yeah, I like movie, but you see violence on them. I tell us
Like action movie?
Yeah. Me I tell us last night, me did I watch a movie, you know. In that movie, you have a brother, you have a sister.
Oh, you have a brother and a sister?
Yeah, and they live good together,
one
you
another.
know, with them one another. And me say, it's like a brother go out on a mission and somebody just attack him
Attack him, brother.
and wipe him out.
Wipe him, what? Unalive him?
Unalive him, man.
Oh my God. So that means his sister must have go through
His sister
terrible.
is going through a lot in a movie.
Oh, me get a drift. So you watch a movie. So the sister go through a lot because he losing brother.
Losing brother, yeah.
So you can't manage the side tide.
No, me can't.
So you feel, so you stop watching movie.
Violence. Me feel like off the TV.
So you don't like violence.
No, me not like violence.
You know, say sometimes movie and things happen in a real life.
Yeah, me know
Because
that.
most of them movie are real things. Well, I'm sorry about that still. So I tell you what, don't watch that movie and don't watch no more movie like that. I hope it not in a real life, you know? Nobody not supposed to go through one drama like that in a real life. But anyhow, nice to meet you again, you see me? Yeah. Big up yourself.
In a real life.
I tell you, here. I'll link you, you know?
Yeah, man.
And don't be first, so you can link me too.
No, man, you have my number.
Alright.
It's just a start. Think you done it?
Yo, I'm a killer.
No come here, kill me. No do it.
Why pray?
Me say not do it, I think I one friend of my road you talk to some.
Yeah, I'm dopes. I'm dope. Watch out now. The shop, the first shop when I got Bridget, the shop closed. So I have to walk way down the road. So I bring one juice here. So I just use my local bigger than tell one banana chips here. So
yeah man.
like sit down side of here. Talk about the dirty cooked up.
No, sir. Liberty come through carelessly.
Yeah.
Oh God.
I have good news to tell you.
What kind of good news that?
Go down the road look while. The first shop when I got Bridget. Go on the phone with you. And when we do something and come on for the phone with you. Guess how I buck up in now?
Oh.
The girl I tell about. When I go down at the bookstore. So I get a it. As Anna go
What about her?
I just buck her. And I tell her so like I can't see my smile like in glad to see me. Like you need when you're not glad to see me some more while. I'm here charge it.
Give me the juice. Let me get make sure buy you one juice.
Oh, watch out man. And me buy the juice you know. What's about this man?
You can't share me first. You can't share.
So yeah Musa. So what me I say now? Me and him did a read here now and you know. I ask me say what me a there so I tell him say where so I live. So I ask she where she a there so. So I say one friend in come check. My friend in the community was sick and he come link her. So I ask her where she lives. So I say he just check in and check out. Me get the number. You give me number you know?
That's nice.
I have credit. Give me a call, come in on credit. Come and tell him say I want a friend you know. Tell him say I'm charge it. You have no credit. You're so miserable man.
You don't see miserable yet. I don't have credit, borrow digital credit.
I'm reach out my card on the Wi-Fi. But when I say like, what do you think to the whole situation? Because I remember saying I'm not talking about it. What do you think?
You think I move so fast?
You really think of it, sure? Like how me move so fast and I third time booking. And you booking me third time I just get the number. What makes you say that?
You're too happy, you're too overexcited, man. Calm down.
So when me go and check you, I'm not happy and overexcited, me go and check you. Eh? All my ten you know wash your eye from wash your face from morning.
Listen to me now. You carry drinks, come give me any banana chips, I'm grateful. Go on now, I beard me that go beard. I'm going to take up my towel.
You have a beard and a beard from morning.
Hmm?
You have a beard too late, you know.
You say me and your friend. Why you not come over here come beard me early? Hmm?
Me?
Yes.
Me and your friend, I'm beard and me and your friend.
Nothing wrong. Like your hair and beard me.
Well, like I go hard with you, because I have to walk me eye over a certain part and me and your friend. Look how much make him beard, man. And see them, you around me, as I tell about somebody you around me. You have a kind of friend. Go and go beard, man. When I'm done beard, you call me, or you come check me. I go over.
For some reason, the spirit doesn't think that girl that I'm in anymore. Go on.
Your spirit not take nobody, because your spirit not used to take me. And cuss you and you cuss me till me you come friend. Later, here. Anytime I call her, I tell her what she has say, here. Yeah, look more.
Some man, I search to find love, I run down love, and love the right in front of my face. But don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my father, man. I really appreciate it, man. The fact is, I never done pay your feet. And you still give me a phone call because me I tell you the whole situation. My brother don't have a phone. Right now, I go excited about this phone that give me. So how much me have left for you? Alright, me I try my best, man, to make you get it. Because you know me not go anything. Yeah, man. Thanks again, my friend, man. Yeah, man. I really appreciate the fuckings. Alright, respect. Puppy Dan.
Yeah, deal it, bro.
G.
Yeah, man.
Like you walking tight.
Like I say, Mr. tell me say why my name just call her from this morning.
That's how we teach her.
Yeah, kind of say if you need no self.
Which one of them? Big batty one or the one who look good?
Big batty one.
Oh, a big batty one, him always send message, you know. And the one who look good, he now send no message.
But say if me tell her say that's so dangerous to be, you know, just make me stay and he send me work. We go to the online and me DM.
So she look funny?
Yeah, man.
So you know if you take off your pants and show me?
Yeah, me pull it down and show her cut off.
You pull it down and show me? Yeah. You know you pull up pants the teacher, you know, because some of them teacher, you know, remember so teacher my teach, you know. So what must about like you have to go to the doctor with you?
I say I can't check out this but I tell her say I rub on cream on it, so she tell me say, because I say, as I say, school so lock and everything, so I say I can't take on it for 2 days.
Good news. Sometimes people don't say I have good news and bad news, but this I have good news where 100% and I have a next good news or 100%. So which one of them I want to hear first?
What about your auntie?
What about me auntie? What make you always asking about me auntie?
No, so me left it 2 hours a year, so I feel like I have some good news there.
No good news in Ghana yard.
Give me good news.
Well, the good news I know, the girl, alright, it involved Tia. Because Tia said, if you don't come check him over here, unless I get something for drink. You know you love him belly already. I know my friend love him belly. So I get one banana chips. But anyway, I got the shop you know. If you go buy something, Bridget lock, so I end up have to go down at the next shop. Before me leave, I know I go down at the next shop. Guess how I book?
The girl.
The angel me I tell about that. The angel. Some book her, so I say, I never know say, where are they so? He must have one friend in come check in Alien. When I'm friend 6, so you can check him. So I ask him, say, why you say live?
Like a some great connection, because you go out for this and come up in Alien.
Yeah, and you know, say, me I talk about her and I say, yo, boy, I hope a connection I meant to be, you know, I hope like one look something did the way can, you know, make a start.
Yeah.
Without a finish, you know.
If you really like her, can you talk about him?
Get all her number too.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man,
They don't want to start that, bro.
But watch out now, no. Dash that now. After I do so boom, you know, buy the banana chips and something at the shop now after me and her. Boom. You know, the strangest thing she tell me say she watch a movie. Come like it's not a person like violence, you know. Because she say she watch a movie. And the movie she have a brother and a sister where them live close. But the brother go up on the work now. After the brother go up on the work now, they analyze him. And in the movie now, the sister Tarmin now live good and something. So he say, me ask me if me like off the TV, he say yes. So I tell him, say, don't watch action movie where you know your heart or your body weak to the situation. So I tell her, say it's just a movie. But where she want to say, like sometimes them things they come true in real life.
Yeah, for real, because
I realize how one girl and I like violence.
So, bro, I'm really have to still, you know. I spend half every money at school, so I just try about that figure still, isn't it? I remember so we have it hard and everything, so I can at least get something to eat later.
I like that, you know. I like that. So you now go to school tomorrow then?
No, I remember saying I tell you
I have one little piece of money on the door, you know, so. At 2-5 you got a doctor. If you ever got a doctor, you hold on to this. I try to figure out the something money. But listen now, you know what your next good news?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So boom, it's like, so boom and stay so. I watch a movie. After I watch a movie, it's like me G. After me G did it, you know, I say a real G, you know. But it dog more, it dog come link me and I say, yo dog, you know, say yo more you make a link for me, kind of have nothing for make a link. So I say, yo, I do so boom you know dog and I have a link and the link, I leg a link. So I say, I want a link, because I have a link, I want a link, there you get me? So I start do so put on piece money now. On the link, I have a link. So after I do so boom, I do so boom and put on the next piece of money, dog. Say, yo, watch out now. Hold on the link. When you're done, I have a next money come pay for your link. So I do so boom, I say, yo. I say, Mars Joe. After I say, Mars Joe, boom. I get a phone. Bro! Easy, man.
Bro, respect.
Oh, God, me G, man. In real life, man. Yeah, man, we'll have a phone. When you don't pay for it still. Out of palm shop, when you go to school and you access a way, you tell them, so I don't know, order it. You see me? On iPhone.
Bro, if you take a picture, man.
No, hey! A bad man, you know, man.
No.
I joke me, man. See that? Yeah, my dog. Yeah, man. In real life,
respect, bro.
God, me that, man. You see me? Just go and push out your hard work.
This is good news.
Yeah, man. You're one that me killer, man. As I say, I don't pay for it, so don't drop it, you know. You see me? Not do that, my friend, man. But here we go on now still now. On a big man level. I really appreciate the fact, as a brother, as two brother, I like how me live, G. You see me? And you push out, you do what you have to do, and I try my best to make sure so everything what you want, I can get it right away. I will get it when I can get it all when I go out of the way. I appreciate the fact that you go to school, you learn, you get your education. Nobody not perfect, but you just stay in a line. So just go and go to school, get the work where you have to get done. Because in your future, you have to want it.
Yeah, bro, and about that, me say me not go to school, me still go do work. So
You know that,
tomorrow,
man.
me still go inside their school.
You know that, because if you need to go do work, you have to walk on your hop foot and go to school. So I really appreciate it. Big up yourself, man. Here.
You go and sit up your phone. Respect again, yeah, bro.
Big up yourself. I'll deal with something around on the front, just.
Alright.
Yeah, look more.
Yeah, bro, forward.
Oh, I pray.
There, you know, yeah, deal with it.
Wait, man.
Take a long time, bro.
You know, so I rise up early, because you know me, I youth not really stay now, or you do some work.
So look at something when I wake up and see teacher send me this morning night, me there I try deal with online, you know.
Oh, so the group where you're in, because the teacher said that the group where you're in, you don't get nothing in the group yet, like no homework or no message.
Yeah, man, like me I do homework me I do, where the teacher send me. Because I remember say show me the go from school early yesterday, so I send her homework in a group, but me never deal with it last night. So I deal with it now, because if you go in today.
Okay. Because I say, rise up early this morning, maybe you want to wake up. You got up on the phone late last night, bro. How go on?
Bro, you know I say, I tell her say, the same girl that me tell her say me I talk to.
The one we are talk to?
Yeah, man, come
on.
on.
You can ban a farm between a few of them, man, because not two in a few.
As I tell her, she kind of near to me, but we just don't know one of their location, it just time. So me and her talk on the phone last night, because I get her number from Instagram. Because I said I did on the tablet, I talk on the phone. You see me, so get her number, she know me have a phone, with a video call.
So I look at things, so I get the phone then. So you try out upon video call and them thing there.
But bro, when I know why I get twisted though, just know say if you phone, you know go make me lose focus for my work. And if you realize now phone there so, I'm there so I do my work.
If me think that more buy the phone.
No, me know man bro, me just
so you
tell
need a phone in your life. And you if you know say yo don't waste time. You see me? And one more thing bro. I like the fact say yo you like her and you look like me don't know her, you look like she like you. But here we go on, as we say, just go and take it slow, you see me? Just like Mary. And she a call you.
She a call.
Look at me. I'm going in the kitchen, I'm soon forward, here.
Alright,
yeah, man.
Good morning again, what's up? Yeah, I'm doing okay, and you know, you calling me, you know, I'm gonna doing very, very, very amazing.
This relationship with me because I didn't want a relationship and now never did I work out. So that's why I have to take it serious.
Oh, I understand that and I really appreciate that because to be honest, I feel comfortable around you, like, you know, anytime I see you, it just bring a joy to me. You know, so I feel the energy.
But alright, so like when I'm going to school to them, I did I wonder if we could have meet up 5 o'clock. I want an occasion and then I bring you out and a dinner.
Listen, that would be very, very, very good. But at the moment now, I some schoolwork me I do because through me not there at school, so me I do it online. But teacher if sending in something in a group or a message, so me I wait upon that. So if me get a message and it can't work, I would do it. But what time you do that pre?
5 o'clock.
5. As me say, me just wait upon the message. But I really appreciate that. Still, isn't me? For me, I go out and everything, that would be amazing. So as me say, anytime I get the message from the group, I will make you know if it can happen. Because I really would want that miss me, but as I know, the work come first. But me make you know.
No problem.
And thanks again for bringing up that, you know, because as me say, I get so close. So, yeah. So me call her back, okay?
So find out and let me know, okay?
Alright.
Hello?
Hello, what's up?
Well, I'm here. What's up? Just thinking about you.
Well, you kind of feel bored.
Oh, you kind of feel boring.
Yes,
Well, I got PlayStation 1 and PlayStation 2. So if you want to play to each other, we can just go out and have a drink and get to know each other.
Oh, that would be so lovely. But I was thinking, we can meet at 2 o'clock, same place how we meet other days.
Oh, you want to meet at 2 o'clock, same place where we meet the last time, right? Yeah, man, that is wonderful. That is very wonderful. Okay, 2 o'clock then.
Yeah,
I mean,
2 o'clock, so I will send you.
okay, I have a blessed day, right? 2 o'clock, can't wait.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye. Yo! Good news!
Don't you know, bro?
Me get a date. Mama just called me. Just call me.
We get a date to go out with the lady.
Yeah. Where you go to?
Yes, well, more than my girlfriend, but the person me I talk to call me. My friend me tell her say I go out and she call me.
Oh shit.
And she
So what
tell
time?
me
What
say
time?
5.
5 o'clock?
Yeah, but bro, me tell her say I'm not really sure about the 5 o'clock, but a message come in on the phone not too long. See it?
Oh, the group. The group sending a message.
Sending a message, so I want to call her now and tell her so I can make it around 1, 2 o'clock.
How on my phone there?
I'm say in the kitchen now.
Oh, maybe left in the kitchen. I can't make that see. I think I'm going to link right now. You know.
So I can just call to you and done.
No, man, I'm going to link her, man. I'll hold my phone in the kitchen. Want to tell me good news. You must have me charge that, you know. All while when I talk to you, I come like, I never like when you look, you know. Maybe me have somebody I talk to, somebody I talk to and feel, you kind of feel left out. You get what I say?
Boy,
Hey,
call
yo.
back for my girl now.
Boy, for my girl say 2 o'clock. And maybe, you see when you reach out 3, 4 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Jesus Christ. You see how long for me I bother me in my head. See print out in my head. I go and take out the whole light pan her. But yo, pan a big man thing still, dog. I'm glad to say, yo, you not rush nothing, and me not rush nothing. And it's like, we have somebody in our life where I make you happy, although you're not gonna link up it. Also, me have somebody in my life, so we just take it.
You know, our biggest problem, we don't want this mash up.
Yeah, bro, in a real life, cause right now, one me have, you know. Matter of fact, when you chat to a female, if you really feeling him, I really like him, you have to lend me. I mean, you want to lend out it right now, but if you right one,
you really need to get it back.
Well, you're smart. Yo, I'm going to link to you and tell him what.
Alright, I'm going to make my call now, here.
Yeah, room, here.
So you link up then?
Yeah, but so forward, you know.
Maybe you don't see me come, so me tell you say around 1, 2 o'clock and the time I click. Half 11 now.
Alright, boom.
Alright. Why, brother? Boy, the things are road though. Oh. Yeah, are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Alright, so just a little changes, but I just wanna say sorry for the inconvenience. I get a message in a group, but what really happened now, I can't make it 5 o'clock. I could make it like around 1, 2 o'clock. So that good with you?
Oh shit.
What's up?
Yeah, that good with me.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Sure.
Yeah, man, I'm sure.
I just want to know so I not mash up anything where they supposed to do, you know. Like if you did have some business to deal with before that, I know I mash up it.
No, man, it's okay. Just, yeah.
Alright. Alright, really appreciate it. So I will see you in an hour and a half from now.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Bye.
Same to you. Mwah. Yes! Yo! So I'm gonna have to start back from this one.
Yeah.
So me also.
Oh yeah, the shit. Wham.
There. Oh.
Good news.
What?
For me.
You get visa? No, why good news?
Yeah, go on a date.
You last year tell me about good news. Go on date to do.
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Go on date to do.
You see the girl who me I tell about?
So that good news that come in my yard to tell me?
Yeah. You not happy for me?
A good news that?
Yeah, good news. Your friend I go on a date. Me sorry say I don't want to date him.
Omar, I bet you never tell me.
Why?
I bet you never tell me. God no, I bet you never tell me.
You know, so me know a problem where you have. Me know a problem, man. I tell you a problem. True, me I have such a close friend. And me find a date, you feel so the date about. Nobody can take me from you know. You're my charge, you're my friend, you're my general. Nobody can take me from you. Like chuck it till the
So
head.
me ask you something. Come on. You could have called me and tell me this or WhatsApp me. You could have let you come over here to tell me that.
Oh, me left my phone in the kitchen. Me you want to call and tell me want to come tell you. You tell me anything and me tell you anything. So what problem?
Nothing. Anyways, enjoy your date.
Anytime I forward back, me tell you the good news. I mean, I think no bad news about it. You see me? Later here. Yeah.
Tell you come on me here and tell me about girl. This is a piece of your girl. Something about the girl that my spirit just now pick her up.
Hey, like really and truly happy to me see you. It's like I can't even know. But I don't understand though. From it forward, it's like I realize that your expression, face expression kind of change. You're not really happy. But you kind of push out the face to make it look like you're happy.
Shit. She not call me.
What happened to you?
To tell you the truth, I go through a lot right now, confident. Not because I'm not talk about you, but I go through all this.
Listen to me, I say. It don't make sense you have to talk to somebody. And when you talk to somebody, then you can't deal with your problem. So I want you to know so I'm there with you through everything. You know, tell me everything. You understand, but you can't tell me what you want to tell me because I don't want to know something I talk to you. And
Hold on, give me a minute.
no problem.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, Marika.
Yeah.
Basically, you know, say me on my way, but me just have to miss call, the text. When you send me, you change the time and everything. So I want them to turn back. Okay, I talked to one of your friends, because your friend is sick. Oh, female that talked to her. Okay, now if she feel better, just say I to her for me, please. Alright, I'm sorry, man. Look more, big up yourself.
Alright, 5 o'clock, eh?
5 o'clock. Alright. Later, 5 o'clock.
Sorry, see, I jumped in there before, but like, what was it?
I'm a friend, one of my friends is sick.
But you need like a little bit of a girl in you.
No, you're not here good. Let me tell the person say, I want a girl, me I go and link. And the next time me I go and link up after this one. Come to meet one of my friends.
Alright, so, as a matter of fact, basically, Just how I have to think yourself, anything. That's how you know, so you have your back. You understand? And anything when you have face, you can talk to me about it. Because I that me there for. You get what I mean?
Yeah, me get what you mean.
So where is we go have a date now? Maybe Italian cafe.
Yeah, money to Italian cafe.
That
Yeah.
alright, so
Thank you guys for watching. You've made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much once more for supporting the movements. Stay tuned for more movies. Remember, subscribe, like and share out the video them at Tia says so. Alright.